name is Brooke Flowers at Island Trim Co. in Chesterfield Town Center. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a painkiller. This was invented at the Soggy Dollar Bar in the British Virgin Islands, and we're dedicating this one to everyone who missed vacation this summer. We're going to start by adding 1.5 ounces of Custer's rum, 3 ounces of pineapple juice, 3/4 ounce of orange juice, and 1/2 ounce of Coco Lopez. Then we're going to add ice and shake no more, no less than 20 times. We're going to add the drink to the glass and garnish with an orange and cherry flag, 2 pineapple leaves, and a liberal amount of nutmeg. Then we're going to add our straws, and that's how you make a painkiller. If you guys are feeling like you want to lay off, you can order them to go.